Good morning, beautiful breathers. Today's quick guided morning breathwork session is an energy starter that will help you feel wide awake and ready for the day ahead. We will use our own breath to create energy in the body and wake up the mind. We will perform 3 rounds of Chit Shakti Prakriya Pranayama that will increase oxygenation and get our blood flowing. As a gentle reminder, we will breathe in and out of the nose. As we strongly inhale, bring the arms up above the head with the palms open, and as we forcefully exhale, squeeze the hands, clench the fists, and swing the arms down. For more information, try our tutorial session here. As always, listen to your body. Don't force anything and go at your own rhythm. If at any point you feel lightheaded, just return to a comfortable way of breathing. So if you're ready, find a quiet place and let's begin. Sit comfortably with your spine straight. Close your eyes and begin to take deep, full breaths in and out of your nose. Breathing into the belly, up to the chest, and slowly exhaling, letting it all go. Let go of any to-do list and simply allow yourself to embrace this present moment. Feel your body and the space it's in, from the top of your head, down your spine, to your sit bones and feet. You are grounded and centered. Inhale. Exhale. Now let's prepare for the first round of these powerful energy breaths. Exhale completely. Inhale deeply, hands up. Exhale, push out. In, out, in, out. In, out, in, out. Good. Keep breathing like this. Forcefully exhaling it all out and bringing in oxygen and new life. Take your last few breaths. Last full deep inhalation. Hold the breath for a moment. Exhale. Bring the hands back down to your knees. Slow down your breathing. Feel your heart beating, the blood flowing throughout your body. Everything is open. You have created space in the body. Your mind is alert and awake. Now for round 2, about 35 breaths. Go at your own pace. Really focus on taking powerful inhalations and forceful exhalations. If you need to stop early, it's all good. Return to your natural way of breathing. Let's begin. Exhale completely. Inhale, lift the hands up. Exhale, in, out, in, out, in, out. Keep going, breathing at a nice rhythm, creating energy with every breath and every movement. Last few breaths. Take your last deep inhalation. Hold the breath for a moment. Slowly exhale. Bring your hands back down to your knees. Slow down your breathing. What subtle sensations can you feel? If you feel any tingly sensations in your arms or fingers, this is all normal. Connect to it. Allow everything to settle. Now, if you still feel okay, let's begin the third and final round. About 35 breaths. Exhale. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, push out. Keep going, bringing in new and pushing out old. Take your last few energy breaths, make it count. Last full inhalation, hold the breath. Exhale, slowly release the hands back to your knees. Palms open or in a mudra. Relax your breathing. Let everything settle as you return to stillness. Scan through your body and connect to any sensations you feel. Notice how open and light your mind and body is. Wherever your awareness is, bring it to how your breath flows in and out of your nose. Your entire being is filled with positive energy, open and ready for anything that comes your way. Take a deep breath in and out. Feel this radiance glowing from within, reminding you that no matter how your day goes, this peaceful energy is with you at all times. Reconnect to it whenever you need, as it is always here. Inhale, exhale. Thank you for taking the time to connect to the higher energy that lives within you. Sending you all my love. Namaste.